Your original hometown dealer, Saida Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
In this week's court report, Dr. Adam Q. Hadland currently has an active $10,000 bond after being arrested on June 7, 2019, connected to the charge of child abuse or neglect first. Hadland, that veterinarian, was detained after police responded to reports of an overdose at an area home. According to investigators, the reporting party stated that she found a male, later identified as Hadland, face down and initially unresponsive, but that he was later throwing up and became conscious. When officers arrived on scene, they say Hadland and another subject were both sitting on the bed, and Hadland appeared to be highly intoxicated, indicating by observed what was stated by police officers as slurred speech, bloodshot, watery eyes, and a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from Hadland's person. Investigators say Hadland admitted that he had 4 whiskey cokes, but also stated that he did not remember what happened and refused medical treatment. The responding officer on scene states that he noticed fresh vomit on the floor, pill bottles all over the counter, and that the house was considerably hot for the time of day for a child to be in. Once DCFS was on scene, the female reporting party's son, who was staying at the residence with Hadland, was interviewed, and it was concluded that the child had not consumed any food but 1 piece of bread for a meal in the last 24 hours. Hadland even told police that the child was given 3 pieces of flaxseed bread between breakfast and lunch, and he had had bread for dinner the previous night too. Hadland was arrested after gathering all statements, and the fact that there have been numerous temporary protective order, welfare checks, and child abuse and DCFS cases coming from Hadland's residence for the same circumstances. Once at jail, Hadland consented to giving a blood sample. Notably, formal charges are still pending in Justice Court for the event that is set to have occurred on June 7th of this year. Hadland posted bail before his first appearance, which was scheduled on June 10th. However, Hadland has agreed to appear for his arraignment hearing on August 19th in Justice Court. Also notably, as police referenced in Hadland's arrest report, Hadland has an older Justice Court case from January 28, 2016 that had an order of dismissal without prejudice signed and filed on March 10, 2016, after Hadland had been charged with contributing to the delinquency or neglect of a minor. No public details are available as to specifically why that previous case was dismissed. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 25.